Welcome to my YouTube channel Freaky Traveler. Today we are going to visit a beautiful place which is approximately 18 kilometers away from Nirmand, from where you can see the mesmerizing view of Shiva Valley, Nirmand, and also the panoramic view of Rampur town. So let's start the journey. When we were going to above the valley, we saw a beautiful hotel and hut which was just 2 kilometers away from Nirmand. These huts are made of bamboos, and there are 3 huts in a row. These huts are the main attractions for tourists, especially during Shrikhand Yatra. From here, you can see the panoramic view of beautiful Nirmand town. When you are moving upward the valley, you can have some snacks here and enjoy the view of Nirmand town. And you can also see these huts. As far as the food is concerned, that is below average. When we were moving upward the valley, we see mighty mountains around. On the way to our destination, we saw many small and beautiful villages. You will come across a beautiful dense forest. As usual, when we are traveling in mountains, we expect a rough road, but the road was completely metalled and these roads were above the expectations. As we were moving towards the destination, there were apple orchard around, and this part of the valley is famous for the cultivation of apple orchards and apple farms. As we were moving upward the valleys, the scenery around was changing drastically. Even though the flora and fauna was changing as we were moving upward the mountains. A patch of just 1 kilometer which was under construction. Metaling was going around. Watching all around this place, every tiny and small village was connected to the road. As far as the mountains are concerned, these roads are there. So finally we reached our destination. From here you will close to the nature and you come to see the mesmerizing and mighty Himalayas all around. also you can see the panoramic view of Rampur Bushare town. And this is it for this part of the journey. In the second part, we will go to visit a beautiful temple which is situated around 2,600 meters above sea level.